Okay, with exercise 6C, we are expected to substitute in order to simplify. So with the first question you see, we recognise it's 1 over cos, which we have a function for, to the power of 5. So we can just write our answer as sec to the power of 5. Now, we may have to use any number of the formula that you see on the right-hand side to be able to make these steps. So, recognising the denominator can be rewritten using the equation at the bottom, we get a denominator this time of sine squared. So 1 over sine is something we know the value of. So we can change 1 over sine at this stage to cosec. What's really important and worth noting is what you do with the numerator. You take it outside of a multiplication and you leave it there. You don't do anything with it. Okay, when we simplify, usually the questions will stipulate what types of functions you're being asked to simplify to. In this case, we're just going to show one way of doing it and giving us our values in terms of sine for the first equation, for the first expression. So we can see changing one or other of our trig functions can help us simplify. Now if we change to cos and sine for the second one, we can see that the two factors of sine will cancel out and we'll be left with cos squared. Okay, so simplifying this last two examples, we have to make the subject of our equation any one of our 6 functions, and if it turns out to be one of our new functions, then what we're going to do is finish by reciprocating the whole thing. So you can see cosec of minus 7, cosec equaling minus 7 becomes 1 over cosec equaling 1 over minus 7, but the 1 over cosec really is sine. On our second example, you can see we simplify first, we rearrange to make one function the subject, and then we finish by square rooting and taking positive and negative roots.